We're going to look at a B flat minor scale, and specifically the B flat harmonic minor. Now let me just explain how that works. So first of all, the whole point of these minor scales is you really need to understand which major scale, which major key they're related to. So now you should already have learnt the D flat major scale. I'm just going to do the left hand. So this was D flat major. So the relative minor of D flat major is a third down. So you see what I've done? I've gone from the octave, back a note, B flat. So B flat minor is the relative minor key. This key, this B flat minor, has the same black notes in it. So what I'm playing now is called the natural minor, and you might like to try it with me. So to do the natural minor, so natural minor basically just means like the simplest version of it, the key. So it's got nothing extra added to it. So you start with your second finger on B flat, and just like you did with the major one you did, you take the upper white note, then you do 2 black notes, then you take the F, then you do 3 black notes, and strangely you end there. You want to go there, but you stop there. Then you come back, thumb on F, okay. So now the first thing I'd like to point out is we started with our second finger. If you do B flat major, which we've done before, you start with your third finger. So that's very likely to cause confusion. So it's really important to know the difference, that when you're doing B flat major, you start on 3. When you're doing B flat minor and any of the different minor versions, you start with your second finger and it just sets it up. So in other words, it's going to go 2, then a 3, then a 4, then a 3, then a 4. We're going to try and do this hands together because the right hand more or less copies what the left hand's doing. You start with 2s, then thumbs, then you've got 2 black notes to do, so we're going to use these. Then your thumbs go on the F. Then we need enough fingers to go across 3 black notes. Thumbs on C, then just 2 fingers to go across 2 black notes. Then these 3 fingers to go across there. So that's called B flat natural minor. Now, you might want to pause it, have a go at that first of all, but when you're ready, we'll come on to the harmonic minor. So remember, when you're in the key of B flat minor, that's the key signature, 5 flats. Blanket explodes and Dad gets B, E, A, D, G. Okay, so they are the 5 flats in the key. However, when you're playing minor scales, there are different versions you can do. So we've just done the natural minor, which is the simplest version, just uses the key signature. Very often you're asked to play what's called a harmonic minor. There's also a thing called a melodic minor, but let's just stick with what we need for today. Whenever you do a melodic minor, you change one thing, you raise the 7th note. So I'm actually just going to do it hands together and show you really slowly. So I'm starting with 2s, thumbs, 3 over, then the F. Now I'm bringing over these fingers as if I was going to play 3 black notes. However, that middle black note is the note you want to raise. So you're going to take those fingers and play A natural instead. And then I'm going to repeat the pattern. Thumbs onto C, 3 over, thumbs on F, 4 over. Now instead of the A flat, A natural. And back. Thumbs on F, 3 there. Thumbs on C, 4 here. Now, treat it as if you're going to play the 3 black notes, but remember this one is actually A natural. Thumbs on F, 3 there. Thumbs on C, ending with 2s on the B flats. And there you have it. There are 4 versions which I'll play fairly steadily for you. Loud legato. Remember, even when it's loud, you're going to go a little bit louder on the top bit. Legato. I'll still go a little bit louder at the top. Not too much, just a bit. Quiet staccato. Loud staccato.